Alright everyone, welcome to another engaging episode of Fluencylab, where we dive deep into the real-world challenges of mastering English. If you've ever felt like you've been learning for years, but when it's time to speak, your mind just goes blank, trust me, you're not alone.
Yeah, that sounds super relatable. Like, why does that happen? I mean, I watch videos all the time and, sometimes I feel like I understand everything, but when I try to speak, it's like, there's nothing there.
Exactly, and that's the key issue. Here's the deal. It's not about your intelligence or memory. You might be watching football, but if you never actually play, you won't improve. Think of it this way. If we just consume content, our brain doesn't form the skills needed to express ourselves.
Right, so like, are we talking about how learning by consuming is like eating a full meal but never actually utilizing the energy?
Yes, that's a great analogy. Just like eating is about nourishing your body, learning is about using those skills. So if you really want to grow, you have to speak every day, even if it's just to yourself.
So talk to myself? Like, I could practice just rambling about my day? That sounds kind of weirdly fun, but also, awkward?
It might feel awkward at first, but that discomfort is a sign of growth. And let's address something. Many people are stuck waiting for their English to be perfect. Spoiler alert, there's no such thing as perfect. Fluency blooms through mistakes.
So like if I sound silly, I should celebrate that instead of feel embarrassed? How do I do that in practice?
Exactly. Mistakes are your best friends. Instead of panicking, focus on communication. Let's say you're going to a party. You might say, I met many people, instead of worrying about perfect grammar.
Oh, I get it. So don't overthink, just talk. But, what if I'm just stuck on grammar and can't get past it?
That's a common trap. Imagine going to the gym but spending too much time reading about workouts instead of actually lifting weights. Real conversations happen quickly. They rely on patterns and phrases rather than strict rules.
So it's more about, like, picking up those common phrases? This is like learning slang in any language, right?
Yes, think of it this way. Instead of memorizing rules, learn to say phrases like, I've been working on it, it's all about fluidity. But remember, consistency is crucial.
Consistency? Like trying to eat healthy only a few days a month? That definitely doesn't work for me.
Exactly. Just like fitness, language learning requires consistent practice. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes a day, 10 for listening, 10 for speaking, and 10 for vocabulary.
Wow, that sounds manageable. So challenge myself every day, right? But, how do I step outside that comfort zone without freaking out?
Great question. Challenge means doing tasks slightly above your level. For example, watch content without subtitles and try to understand the context.
Okay, that sounds intense but also exciting. Wait, what about translating in my head? I feel like I do that a lot.
Translating slows you down. Fluent speakers think directly in English. A fun practice is to describe your surroundings in simple English sentences.
Haha, like narrating my life as if I'm in a movie? That could be hilarious. But, where do I even find people to practice speaking with?
Exactly. Join online communities, find a speaking partner, or even chat in language exchange groups. Communication is the fuel for progress.
Oh man. So like, what if I want to become fluent like next month? Is that too ambitious?
Definitely. Wanting fluency in a month is unrealistic. The journey takes time. Remember, it's consistency and tenacity that lead to improvement.
Wow, so I've been stuck not because it's too hard, but because I've been, doing it wrong? That's both enlightening and kind of a relief.
Spot on. You're not stuck because English is too hard. You're stuck because of passive learning. Once you start fixing those issues, everything changes.
So like, I really should start today, huh? Not tomorrow.
Exactly. The time for action is now, not later. Thanks for tuning into Fluencylab. Let's embark on this journey together.
Yay! Let's do this!